Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? I was looking for a Crypto Mentor 99 poker chip. Anyhow, hey, I'm on a new learning curve about cryptocurrency taxes and the IRS in the United States. I just did a video, Crypto Taxes and the IRS Part 1. That's going to be below. This is going to be Part 2. Crypto Taxes and the IRS Part 2. And I need to do a little explaining. I'm going to put video number 2 below, okay? And it's going to be a video of a gentleman called Shehan, S-H-E-H-A-N. He works for CoinTracker. And oddly enough, I'm dialoguing with him on Twitter. I'm like, oh, the dude has a YouTube channel. Well, not really a YouTube channel. He works for CoinTracker in a upper echelon position. I don't know the exact name of it, but I'm trying to interview him on my YouTube channel. And I don't know, I was just on YouTube. I'm like, I'm going to go to CoinTracker to see if he, or not he, to see if CoinTracker has a YouTube channel, and they do, and much to my surprise, Shehan just made a video July 20th, and it's only got 208 views. This guy's gold, okay? So in the video, he admits he's not a financial advisor. Everybody's got to do those disclaimers. And this is legit. He's legit, okay? That's why I'm making this video about his video. Don't look at the video and go, who's this young guy? He doesn't know what he's talking about. No. He knows cryptos and he knows taxes. He works at CoinTracker. That's why he got the job there, okay? But the name of his video is How to Shield $80,000 of Crypto Profits from Taxation. And I read it. I watched it 4 minutes and 19 seconds. And I just emailed my tax advisor and I said, is this true? I've got a woman tax advisor. We've had her for decades now. I'm telling her a little bit about my crypto journey, but not too much. She knows more than I thought about it. Anyhow, back to Shehan. Yeah, this dude's legit. Again, video number 1 is going to be part 1 of my crypto taxes and the IRS. Video number 2 is going to be this dude, only 4 minutes and 19 seconds. But again, the advice that he gave, I'm 99% sure that it's true because I've had similar long-term capital gain conversations with my tax lady over the years. So anyhow, take a look at it. But I'm going to try to get Shehan, to have me interview him on this little guy's YouTube channel. Anyhow, that's the crypto journey that I'm on. I want to be paying all my taxes. I want to always be up to date. And yeah, that's it. Love y'all. Bye-bye.